Çuna par dyshi tani, me makina pak më të reja, jo aq të vjetra sa ishin ato. Kjo është për shokun tim Tedi. Tedo, 1, 2 më 3 vjetër, kemi dhe një 2 të rinj andej. Po këta të vjetër djerë. Mua nga gjeneratat pëlqen kjo gjenerata e tretë, me thënë drejtën. Kjo më ngjit shumë si ka i preje shumë të bukur para. Nuk shkoj dot atje se kena të rrethum.
Do it as you want with it. I get the
Çashka.
So
Makina Batmanit. Aston Martin.
We were starting to work on
Shive
West
çifte.
Ray Hall, sitting over here. We were working on his Grandmaster in the shop. And the gentleman that I was subleasing
Nuk pëlqen kjo se s'ke ku ulesh.
hey, the owner of the building
Edhe Shelby çuna, full carbo. Full, te kam pas të GTA-ja. E kam thënë kësaj të GTA-ja, e di si është. Babit pëlqen? Pëlqen është jarë. Full carbo. Every detail. Duhet ta kuptoni, besoj që s'len kollaj me hymren. Edhe s'kan faj. Edhe shive sa makina kemi andej quna. Kështu që vetëm po pash something special. Do ja u tregoj se do shkoj video shumë e gjatë. Ej, nuk rria do të pa ja u tregu. Nuk rria do, sidomos e i shoku im Tedi herë. Tedo, duhet ishe këtu vllai. Pas ka qenë vetëm për ty me ardhë.
I'm sorry to disappoint.
Shive pak interiorin.
It's just proof of concept. That
So nice.
popularity a lot of hours.
Ja dhe vëdhjeta quna.
Known you for a long time, known of you, and in years I can figure you've been involved in this for 7 decades, maybe a little more. In what you've seen in history, and when you look forward to history, where does Chip Foose Designs fit in history going forward?
That's a really good question. You always say it's a good question, so you can think for just a second. I'm stuck in the 1930s, even though I didn't live there, because I think that the freedom of design, the elegance, the Fagonian
Gjitha bukur kjo Bentley quna, prit.
they weren't worried about safety, they weren't worried about braking, they weren't
Edhe këte e kam pas të GTA-ja.
they just felt unique. And I think Chip
Edhe legjenda.
time period that's very inspirational.
That is the pinnacle of automotive design.
Edhe legjenda.
And it carried on through even the 60s. The designers were able to build.
Shive qik opsionet atje.
It was when
Se i bje i kam me ngrofje. Edhe sigurt me lëvizje.
John Hurwitz, the late
Para i ka lëvizje memorje.
Chrysler designer, used to say that there are some designs
Qa
in
bëhet.
the past that are too good to leave there. So we need to bring
I was going to do that when you were in there, but I would have never done that.
chassis. Now you could get a radiator, you could get a hood side.
Edhe Corvette.
Back to a chassis.
Sigur i ka Corvette opsionet.
I got it.
Kjo është një gjë që është për ditë këtu në Amerikë, se është diçka.
And the coach builder built your car. And that's what coach built. Coach built.
Again, I knew that you would have some major project going on, but I know we have a great group of fans here. We've got time for just a couple questions, and people are raise your hand and somebody will meet you with a microphone. How about this gentleman?